How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Now, if you're trying to log into certain apps, or if you're trying to verify your accounts and you entered in your Gmail, your Google account mail there, Google account there, but you are not receiving the mail at all, the verification code at all on your Gmail, then what you want to do is first you want to check on this spammed mail. You want to open up Gmail, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap on the spam option and choose see there if the message or the code has been sent to spam. If it's not there, then it might be the app you're trying to log into is having some glitches or server downs and it's not sending the verification code. So you might want to uninstall and reinstall that application, or in such, if there is the server issue, you might want to wait for a couple of minutes and then you want to try it again. So this way you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.